Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first long form video. This is my Ridstar Q20. Today, we're gonna make this thing wheelieable because like the throttle is half twist, the brake sensors are still on. So let's get that done. Okay, so now we got this thing backwards, but if we're gonna work on it, let's put it on a stand. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna be modding this thing out. Let me bring out the full twist throttle. Comes with a new key, and it's hecka snappy. You can take out the brake sensors, throw on this throttle. So let's get started. We've got our seat, and now time to dig into the electronics. After a little while, I finally got this grip off. I'm gonna get this off and put on the brand new throttle. Let's do it.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, update. It's been like literally 15 days since I've worked on this because we had a problem with the other throttle and then we bought a new one. But first, let's turn this on and get it running. All right, we have the keys. Let's get this thing running. So we did get the throttle on, if you can see, but it's not fully tightened yet. All right, we have it on. So let's just just moving around. Whoa. All right, we're gonna stop there and let's quickly get this unplugged and then let's run it through and let's do this. I'll come back when I'm already done with all the cords. We just have to put on the seat and let's go. See you when it's done. All right guys, so it's been like 4 days since the last clip and we've got all the cables managed, like they won't move at all. Now let's get the seat on and just do a little test ride. So our seat is right here, and of course we have the Jesus Loves You band. Okay, and let's get it on. I'll show you when it's done. And here it is. It's been so long since I rode this thing. Now let's get it back on the streets and let's go. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is for you. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.
Yo, if I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. This now or never, I'm picking a